Welcome to MLS of Naples Supra eKey demonstration video. In this video, you will learn how to use the Supra eKey app to open up the key container. MLS of Naples offers the most important tools necessary to compete in today's real estate market.
There are a variety of ways to open the key container with the eKey app. You can enter the PIN code each time you open the key container. Select Obtain Key. Enter your 4-digit PIN. Push up on the bottom of the key box to turn it on. Press up on the bottom of the key container to access the keys. You can also select an option to enter the PIN code once per day. In the eKey app, tap on More and then Settings. Tap to enable Only Require PIN once per day.